Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. I'm going to be making you a very simple meal and I'm going to take you through it to make you guys see exactly what's going on in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. I want you to stay tuned, leave your comments in the description box. Thank you for watching and don't forget, clicking the notification bell is very important with me and the team. Remember, Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, one more time again in the kitchen, so stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I want to take you through it what I have right here. Right here, this is some pork which I have marinated. I will put the link in the description box the way I marinate the pork. All right, so this is the pork right here, marinated and ready. Secondly, this is some plantain. This is a ripe plantain which I cut into half and I'm going to be cooking that separately. This is some white onion which I have cut up. I'm going to put that over the pork. And also some tomato which I'm going to put all over the pork when it's a roasted pork. The pork will be taking roughly about 35 minutes to cook. So once you have it on a medium size heat, it's very good to go. Alright. I got some vegetable which I'm going to cook also. Broccoli and cauliflower. I got some rice, which I'm going to be cooking off, basmati rice. I will put the link in the description box the way I do my rice and the vegetable. Stay tuned, and this is going to be a lovely, lovely, delicious meal. So hopefully I'm going to take it straight through it, or I'm going to be doing it. First thing, what I'm going to do is the pork, all right? This is the pork right here. I have some garlic and salt. I'm gonna just put a little bit more of garlic and salt on the pork, all right? Bringing a lovely flavor. And also, I'm gonna put some cracked pepper. Nice one. Now, I'm going to put the pork in the oven. Pork will take about 30-35 minutes. The least I would say 40 minutes. All right, so that's the first thing I'm going to do right here is put the pork in the oven. All right, the oven, you put it on a medium size heat, not on a high temperature. Proper medium size heat is only electric and gas. I know of so far. If in another oven, please write it in the description box. The temperature for the oven at the moment, I have it on 175. I'm using electric. If you're using gas, mark 6 or 7. Let's go into business, guys. You're gonna love this one because I'm telling you, it's amazing. So I'm gonna cook the pork now. Nice one. So right here, this is the rice. I just make sure I have a little bit of water over the rice, not too much water. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of salt in it. Just a tiny bit of salt, not much salt. Please, guys, don't put too much because salt doesn't good for you. Nice. All right. So all I'm going to do is just crack a little bit of pepper into the rice. No oil, no butter, no sugar, no honey. I'm just cooking it natural, authentic. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's the way I'm gonna cook it. So once you have that ready, what you're going to do next is just cover it like that. Secondly, I have my plantain right here. I'm going to put it on the stove, make it go and cook. Also, in the meantime, I'm taking the rice here through. Just a pinch of salt into the plantain, not much, tiny pinch, you know. So that's going to take another probably about good 10 minutes to cook. So in the meantime, what you can do is this. I'm gonna show you a secret what you can do for your gravy. All right. Nice one. So right there, I have some water inside of a container, as you can see it for yourself. All right, for 400 ml, 14 ounces of water. So a little bit. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put in some reduced ketchup inside of the water like this. Look at this, guys. It is reduced sugar and salt. All right, I'm not really measuring it at the moment. Rough about 3 tablespoons. Hold on there. With a simple pour off a little bit of the liquid water. Alright. This is a secret from Chef Ricardo to you. Once you do that, what you're going to do next is the simple put a tiny bit of all-purpose seasoning in it like this. So this is ready for the pork. Let's put that one side. Nice and lovely. Good news, the rice is finished. So that's the rice right there. Look at that. That is lovely and nice. All right. The rice is finished. I just look at it. I didn't do anything to it. Right amount of water. Everything was perfect. That's perfect. Let's check the pork. Nice and lovely. So the pork looking good. Can't believe already it's 35 minutes. See? Look. Nice. Look how the pork is just tearing apart. You see that? Let me taste it. Really nice. And it's not too dry out and all these things. All right. What we're going to do now is this. We have to do this. Look. Put the white onion. You know what I mean? Try this at home, guys. With a lot of tomato. All right? Please try this at home. Get the liquid. Remember this liquid? See that? And put it straight back in the oven. Cook that for another good 10 minutes. You're good to go. Nice. So, right there, as you can see, this is the vegetable which I just put on. I just put on some water into it. And now, I'm going to boil this for roughly about 10 minutes. All right? Just a pinch of salt, not much. Pinch of salt. Lovely. So we're going to boil this now. And once it boils, we're going to share it. Lovely and nice. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, the vegetable is ready, as you can see it. Everything is ready. Planting ready. Everything is ready. What I'm going to do is share out this beautiful food right now. No time to hesitate or mucking about. All right? So, sit back and watch the video. Nice and beautiful, guys. So basically, I'm going to share out some nice, lovely food in the day, yeah? Which is going to be amazing. All right? So, as you can see, I have a lot of things going on right here. So first thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to share out some beautiful food for you guys to be happy. That looking lovely. All right. What I need to do is get my spoon to share some food to make everyone happy, because a lot of people are waiting to see what's going on with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. I'm always doing my best for who support me right straight through the year. All right, first thing, some rice. All right, you have to have rice. It's a must. You know what I mean? You have to have some rice. Nice one. Secondly, I have broccoli and some cauliflower right here. If you like broccoli and cauliflower, you come to the right place. Chef Ricardo YouTube channel. I'm always doing this kind of vegetable. All right, look at that. That is fantastic and an amazing. All right, now, to be honest, I tell you earlier about my green planting, ripe planting. Here it is. You know what I mean? And I have to, definitely, I have to, you know what I mean, go to some of this real authentic Jamaican food. If you are in the kitchen and you're cooking some good food, make sure to follow the golden rule. All right, now, remember, I told you for all of the pork lovers, because there's quite a few people out there who eat pork, and you know what I mean, a lot of requests been asking over the last couple of months, and I don't know why Chef Ricardo don't want to do the recipe, but please guys, don't get too upset with me, because of the kind of weather we are in at the moment, we have to kind of work with the weather. Nice and lovely. All right, now I'm gonna put on some tomato and all these things. Yeah, it's kind of looking good. Could be better, you know what I mean, but you know me, I was just keep rushing. I don't like rush when I cook, because when I rush the food, you don't get it the way you want it. So I don't like to rush and cook, but still looking good. And I want to take the time out to say thank every one of you who support Chef Ricardo. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming, and please stay tuned. As you can see it for yourself, look at that. That is amazing. Proper food. So please enjoy it and subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe again and again. All right, that is so amazing. Look at that, lovely and nice. See you next time. Bye bye.